How to make another account on TikTok. To get started, first of all, open the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the homepage of TikTok, where you can view the TikTok Reels. From this page, you need to tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're here, tap on Menu on the top right corner. You will get to see all of these options. Now, select Settings and Privacy from the menu. After that, scroll all the way down and tap on the option Switch Account. Once you're in, tap on this option Add Account. You can see many methods of signing up. You can use your email or sign up with your Facebook, Apple ID, or even with a Google account. Here, I'm selecting the option Email from the menu. You need to type in your email address to sign up. Once you're done, hit the Continue button over here. It says the account is already signed up. Now, just tap on Continue. You will receive a verification code through your email. Enter the code over here. Once you're done, you will see a TikTok account has been created. Now, you can enjoy all the features of TikTok. So, by following these steps, you can make another account on TikTok.